'cause I'm living on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. It just takes some time. You're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. Yeah, I'm free, free falling. Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes, and today I want to show you 10 songs with just 3 different chords. So if you're a beginner, if you're new to this, make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description below this video. It's a great basis to be able to play along and practice along with a video like this and everything here on my channel. So now let's check out those great, beautiful songs with just 3 chords. We have different tempos here, different speeds, we have different strumming patterns, but those songs share the same 3 chords. So let's check them out. We start off with the first one, Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash. And we have D major going to C. And for this particular video, I take a C added 9 and a G major. So let's break them down. You can use those 3 chords for all the songs in this video. So D, 2nd fret G string, 3rd fret B string, and 2nd fret high E string and the open D string. I fell into going to C added 9, pinky and ring in the 3rd fret of the B and E string, and middle finger 3rd fret of the A string, and index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Don't play the low E string. Burning ring of G, 3rd fret E string for the G, 2nd fret A string with the index finger, and 3rd fret B and E string with the ring and pinky. So D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 C, D, 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 C, 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 G. And in terms of strumming, we can do something like this. Going to Johnny B. Goode. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Go, Johnny, go, go. Be good. I just strum there more like in a country blues version there. So just down, up, down, up, down, up all the time, for example. G, 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 C, 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 G, 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 D, C, 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 G. All the small things by Blink-182 starting on the G. C, 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 G, 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 C, C, C. Also, it just down, up, down, up, down, it all the time. You can just play it also just downstroke. More punk rock. You get the idea, just different pattern, different speed, you get a different style already with the same chords. So the next song would be Bad Moon Rising, like classic old, good old rock and roll. I C, D, C, G, 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 it's down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. C, 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 C. G, 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 G. D, D, C, C, G, G. Like the B part going on. The C, back to the G, G. D, C, G, G. And the first part was, as I played it before, G, G, D, D, C, C, G, G. G, G, D, D, C, C, G. So everything's just fine with G, D, and C in different order here. Breakfast at Tiffany's, Deep Blue Something. Said I think I remember the film, and as I recall, I think we both kinda liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing we've got. G, 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 D, D, C, C, G, 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 C, D, C, G, 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 D, D, C, C, G, 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 D, D, C, D, D, D. And this way you have a pretty fast strumming pattern, and for the other part it also changes the order of the chords, but you have everything going on with G, C, and D. And for the chorus you could play something like, so it's down, up, 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 down, up down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Leaving on a Jet Plane with John Denver. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. 3 times between G and C. 3rd time, and then to the D. Strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up. Jimmy Dwell, the middle. It's just G, 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 Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd. D, C, G. And you can play it, of course, like this. Just laid chords. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. You can play the riff, of course. This is more recognizable there. Open D string 2 times, and then B, G, then 2 times the A string of the C chord, and then B and G string, and then the G chord, 2 times the low E string, and again B and G string, and do that twice. Like this. Just an example, D, C, and G. And of course, one of the rock classics. I think it was actually the first song I learned on the guitar. Down, C, 2 times down, D, 2 times down, and C, 2 times down. That's it. Then we come to the last song, the 10th song, Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. And it's such a beautiful song, it just lives from the melody, and you can just lay the chords. 'Cause I'm free. Free, G, C, C, G. Yeah, I'm G, C, C, G, D, D, G, C, C, G, D. So you saw 10 really famous classic songs for the guitar with just 3 chords. I hope you had a lot of fun with this video. You learned something here. You trained your G, C, and D chords here. You trained your strumming patterns here, and you had fun with your instrument that you truly love like I do. So let's spread the word, subscribe to this channel, give me a like, just write a comment what you think of this video. Maybe you have some more songs you would like to share with us, with me, which you think just share 3 chords. And don't forget to check out the free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description below this video. Thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.